Actually, let me explain something to you, sir. Because the vehicle is registered to a female.
It doesn't matter.
Can I speak or?
Oh, you can
You're
say
a
whatever.
male.
You can cop explain all you want, but
You're a male, which means you need to identify yourself under the Traffic Safety Act. Or
no, I
I'm
don't.
gonna arrest you.
Yeah, okay, then you can arrest me because I've done nothing wrong.
Go ahead and step out of the car. Unlock the car.
What's your name and badge number? Call a sergeant
Unlock
right
the
now.
door.
I'm not locking my door. What are you talking about?
Canada and the way their government has been treating its people has been making headlines. This video is going to show just how crazy things have gotten. Welcome back to Audit the Law, folks. This video is coming to us from Alberta Rights Media. Be sure to head over to his channel and give him credit for this video. This auditor was grabbing something from a store with his daughter and was waiting in his car while she was getting something. However, things go from 0 to 100 real quick when a couple of Calgary police officers pull up in front of his car, not allowing him to leave. At that point, this auditor has no choice but to pull his phone out to record this situation, and this is what happened next.
Yo, what's going on here, man? I just backed in here and these mother losers pull me over. Got my tag up. Oh my god, what the f do you want, man? What are you doing, man? What are you doing? Get out of my face, man. Look at these lights just shining them in my face, man.
You want to roll down your window, sir?
Nah, I can hear you. What's up?
Okay, well, Constable Lang with Calgary Police, the reason why we're stopping you is because the vehicle's registered to a female and you're obviously a male, so can I see your driver's license?
Nah, man, it's not. Is the report stolen?
Can I see your driver's
No,
license?
no. You don't run things here. You work for me until I break the law, mister. So I'm going to ask you again, is the car reported stolen?
No, but
okay, well, then there's no reasonable articulable suspicion.
Actually, let me explain something to you, sir. Because the vehicle's registered to a female.
It doesn't matter.
Can I speak or?
Oh, you can
You're
say
a
whatever.
male.
You can cop explain all you want, but
You're a male, which means you need to identify yourself under the Traffic Safety Act. Or
no, I
I'm
don't.
gonna arrest you.
Yeah, okay, then you can arrest me because I've done nothing wrong.
Go ahead and step out of the car. Unlock the car.
What's your name and badge number? Call a sergeant
Unlock
right
the
now.
door.
I'm not locking my door. What are you talking about?
Unlock
Call
the
a
door.
sergeant.
1439. He's refusing to open the door. We're gonna have to place him under.
Call a sergeant. I haven't done anything wrong. What the f are you talking about?
Unlock the door.
What crime have I committed?
Under the TSA, you need to identify yourself, and you're.
If I'm
choosing not to.
suspected of a crime.
Nope.
Yes, it is. I know the law.
Unlock the door. We're gonna break the window.
You're going to break my window for me not doing anything wrong.
Unlock the door.
All we
sir.
want is your documents, man.
For what? My documents? Is this Nazi Germany?
Hold on. What's?
Is this Nazi Germany?
No, this is not Nazi.
You guys are live on YouTube.
Canada.
Okay, you're live on YouTube, just so you know.
If you're
Perfect.
not going to produce your ID, then what's your name?
I can produce my ID, but I haven't done anything wrong. That's what I'm trying to talk to you, but this guy's escalating
Do
it.
you understand what he's asking?
He's saying he's gonna break my window because I've done nothing wrong because this car is registered. He's saying to a female. So what?
So we're allowed doing a check on documents because it's not registered.
Okay, call the female it's registered to then. I'm not gonna help you with your investigation.
So we need to ID you to see who you are.
What does that matter? How is me? Okay, if the car is registered to a female, right? How is my license or my ID gonna tell you who I am? Like, how is that gonna help the situation?
Under the Traffic Safety Act, you have to identify yourself.
If I'm lawfully pulled over, I've already been to court for this. So you're gonna lose your badge. What's your name and badge number?
I'm not worried about it. I've already given
Perfect.
that
Okay.
information to you.
No, you didn't.
What's your name?
Lagine.
Yep. You got
S.
it.
Lagine
What's
is
your
a
name?
tyrant,
What's your
thug.
name?
My name, I'll give you my first name.
Sure.
Okay. What? Look at him put on his gloves. I haven't done anything
What's your-
wrong. This
what's
is
your-
how you guys treat the public.
I'm
I've
giving
done nothing wrong.
I'm giving you another chance here. but I
Another
need your
chance he's
name.
putting on his gloves to intimidate me. Look at this.
What's your name?
My name is Dwight.
Dwight? D-W-I-G-H-T?
Yeah.
What's your last name, Dwight?
Sir, I'm asking why are you doing this to me? I haven't committed a crime.
We've explained it multiple
So you
times.
guys are gonna, okay, under duress, I'm gonna give you my last name under duress because he's threatening me, putting on gloves. Yes, he is, putting on gloves, threatening me, telling me he's gonna break my window. This cupcake right here said he's gonna break my window.
So what's your last name?
Domino.
Spell it for me, please.
Just like Domino's.
Okay. Domino. What's your date of birth, man?
But I don't understand why you're putting me in the system. I haven't done anything wrong.
Are you 30, roughly?
Yeah, but I haven't done anything wrong, so why are you putting me in the system?
I've already explained it.
Shut up. You didn't explain nothing. You said you're going to break my window because the vehicle is registered to a
You
woman.
need to identify yourself under the Traffic Safety Act.
Yeah, if I'm lawfully pulled over, I understand that.
Pulled over.
I'm not pulled over. I'm parked. My car is off. I am parked. I am parked. I have dash cam in the front and the back of my car. I have dash cam, you loser. You're a tyrant. You're at your job. That's why you'll never have stripes.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, Cupcake.
Actually, that's not how stripes work.
Okay, Cupcake. Whatever you want to say. You're not for the people. You're for profit. You're a loser. Look at you. You're a straight up loser. Look at that. Tyrant comes over here and tries to bully me into my ID because he thinks he's in Nazi Germany. Yeah. Look at this racist
No,
cop.
Not Nazi Germany. You're in Canada.
Yeah, look at this racist cop, eh? Shut up, you racist. You're a racist. Profiling me. I'm gonna watch the complaint I make on you, bro. Don't worry about it.
It's fine.
Okay, it is fine.
Absolutely fine.
Perfect. Ask Andrew A. Smith what happened to him when he me for no reason. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, you and that loser. Yeah. So now that I know that you know him, this is conspiracy, conspiring with him, eh? To with me. Yep. Perfect. Look at this loser. He just admitted that he's pulling me over because he knows Andrew A. Smith. So this is retaliation stop. Wow. I can't wait till the judge sees this.
Does he have a beer?
Yeah, what you gonna do?
Identify yourself or not?
I already did to your other officer. I'm not talking to you. Well, I want a sergeant here.
Sergeants are busy. Sorry.
Okay, well, I'm sorry. Then you can't unlawfully pull me over. You didn't pull me over. I'm parked. I am parked here. You're a loser.
Lawful traffic stop.
Lawful traffic stop. There is no lawful traffic stop. What are you talking about?
He gave us his name, not even a date of birth.
I gave him my name, you liar. Look at this guy lie to escalate the situation. Look at this Cupcake. Andrew A. Smith Jr. Look at this Cupcake. Can't even read his badge. SLANGEN. Yep. Tyrant. Thug. Out here. Thugging. Mean bugging people for no reason. What a thug. What a thug. Puts on his gloves. Yo, take off that badge and see what it do, man. Take off that badge. You think you're so tough. Now put those gloves on.
I can't hear you over there.
Yeah, see what you do when you take off that badge. Look at this punk. I have a license. This guy pulled me over unlawfully. What are you talking about?
Failing to produce insurance, identification.
I want a sergeant and I'll produce all of that.
Sergeants are busy, sorry.
No, you can't unlawfully pull me over for no reason and then tell me you're going to give me tickets when I'm complying with everything that you fucking said.
You're not actually.
Yeah, I have not done anything wrong. You want I give you my ID, no problem. But this guy, I'm not dealing with him. He's a fucking tyrant. He's aggressive.
So pass me your ID.
Okay, can you just calmly? Why are you pulling me over, sir? I'm not even pulled over. I'm parked in a parking stall. I'm not absolutely doing nothing wrong.
Okay.
And he's putting on his gloves telling me he's going to break my window and threatening to arrest me when I've absolutely done nothing.
Why do Calgary police officers think they can demand a driver's license from someone whom is parked and absolutely doing nothing wrong? The short answer is because, unlike in the United States, the law allows them to do so. At 7:36, the auditor explained that the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms protects him against unreasonable searches and seizures. Indeed, the Charter's Section 8 states, "Everyone has the right to be secure against unreasonable search or seizure." But in Canada, the words search and seizure don't have the same legal meanings as in the United States. So, more relevantly for Canadians, the Charter's Section 9 states, "Everyone has the right not to be arbitrarily detained or imprisoned." What this auditor failed to mention was that charter rights aren't absolute. Legislative bodies can pass certain laws that reasonably restrict charter rights to protect other rights or important national values. Now, I'm not saying I agree with this at all, but this is the reality in Canada. Think this is an insane concept allowed by the government. This auditor has every reason to be pissed off, especially for the stupid reason that these cops are demanding higher identity.
Nothing wrong. So how is that even fair? Is that your kids are going to see this, and that's the kind of policing you want them to see you doing? You're proud of that?
Are you asking me a question? Or
yes, sir. I'm asking you a question. When someone's absolutely doing nothing wrong, sitting in their car, and then you guys pull up like this, putting on gloves and threatening people.
So we issued the traffic stop.
No, there was no. I'm parked.
I know, but this is a traffic stop. You're in the vehicle.
But I'm parked. My car's off.
Can you hear me out?
Yes, sir.
So we ran the plate, and it came back as the registered owner, as a female registered owner.
Okay, but it's not reported stolen.
It's up to us.
My charter protects me against reasonable searches and seizures.
I'm trying to help you understand here. Okay? So under the TSA, we're supposed to be checking documents to make sure that you have a valid driver's license, registration, and insurance. And we can contact the RO after all of that. But under the TSA, you need to identify yourself.
Okay, also in the Charter of Rights, it tells me that I am protected under the Charter against discrimination, unlawful searches and seizures.
I
understand.
Arrested for
the Police Act.
Your driver's license.
Oh, no, I gave you my name and stuff. Can I reach in can I reach for it? Under duress. Yeah, that's a secondary charge. That's a secondary charge, stupid.
Are you gonna pass me your ID like you said?
Yo, am I allowed to reach for it?
Yeah, reach for it, man.
You can't, but I'm just letting you know, you can't. You guys are threatening with arrest, threatening to break my window, and threaten bodily harm on me. So under duress, I'm gonna provide it, but I'm going. What's your name and badge, just so for the record, so I can go file a complaint after, please.
Constable Jans 5918.
Constable Jans
5918.
5918.
J-A-N-S.
And what's the guy that threatened me?
Pass me your ID and we'll chat.
No. That you work for me until I break the law. You got it backwards. You guys are fucking corrupt. This is why I have no respect for you guys. You pieces of shit, man.
Listen, Dwight.
Don't tell me to listen.
Because
I'm reaching in my pocket. Do not shoot me. I'm reaching in my pocket.
No one's reaching for anything here. Go ahead.
I know I'm reaching in my pocket. I need to get my ID.
Grab your ID.
Fuck you, man. Peace.
Thank you, Dwight.
Pussy boy. No, look at smile all you want to. Smile. Look at this guy. He thinks he's so tough, man.
Dwight, look at me.
I'm not looking. Don't tell me where to look. I'm looking at this guy. You're looking in my car.
Can you pass me the registration insurance, please, Dwight?
Yeah, I can.
Thank you very much.
Look at this guy. You guys are just mean mugging right now. Thugs, man.
You're also parked.
Look, my dog. They're.
The Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms in Section 1 allows for certain limits on rights and freedoms if justified in a free and democratic society. This was tested in R versus Ladouceur, where the Supreme Court of Canada deemed the Ontario law permitting law enforcement to arbitrarily stop drivers and demand documents as a reasonable limit, despite violating Section 9's protection against arbitrary detention. Consequently, Section 189A(1) of the Ontario Highway Traffic Act was upheld as constitutional. Later, in R versus Duna, 2009, the Alberta court applied the Ladouceur decision to Section 167(1) of the Alberta Traffic and Safety Act, which requires drivers or those in control of a vehicle to produce relevant documents on a peace officer's request. The court ruled that random vehicle stops for legal reasons related to driving were justifiable under the Charter, encompassing not just drivers, but also those in control of a parked vehicle.
With me. That's my daughter. You guys are losers. Look at the losers. Police, man.
You focus and pass.
The police, man. The racist pieces, man. Look at that. Got my daughter hemmed up now. Losers,
I
man.
appreciate you grabbing your documents there, Dwight.
Losers, man. Surrounding my car, threatening to break my window.
Yeah, nothing came up criminally.
No, because I'm not a criminal. What are you talking about? Look at this piece of shit. Look at this thug, man. Look at this piece of bottle opener. Yo, ask this little piggy if he has a bottle opener. You have a bottle opener, buddy?
I do, yeah. Do you want it?
Yeah, please.
Well, look.
Actually, no, it's warm right now. I don't want it.
You don't want it?
No.
Well, I'll open it for you.
No, that's okay, Piggy.
Sure?
Yeah, no problem, Piggy. What's your name and badge number, just so I can make a report that you were a witness to this here?
Yeah, of course. It's Constable Humphrey.
Constable Humphrey.
Do you want me to spell it for you?
Yes, please.
H-U-M.
Yes, please.
F-R.
Yep.
E-Y.
Yep.
Do you want my badge number?
Yes, please.
It's 5207.
5207?
That's what I said.
Okay, and why are you guys out here mean mugging and thugging on people that ain't committing crimes? Is all the crime in Calgary solved that you guys can't go mess with a criminal?
I guess so.
You guess so?
Yeah.
I'm glad you have a personality when you violate my charter, so. You guys have violated my charter today.
How did I violate your charter?
You and your gang members did, and I will be filing a complaint. Where's your precinct, please, that I can go to?
How did I violate your charter?
You were a witness. You were a witness
Yeah.
to my charter. Me, unreasonable searches and seizures, threatening to break my window, threatening bodily harm on me, for absolutely no reason. I absolutely did nothing wrong.
Perfect. Okay, no, that
Which detachment? Which detachment?
That helps me understand.
Which detachment can I go
illegal
to?
Search and seizure is what you said. So that's
No, that's part of it. That's part of it. I'm allowed to be secure. Yes, yes.
Is
And
that
number
section-
eight. Number 8. I can be secure
Okay.
in my persons and in my property and papers.
Okay.
You guys violated that today, and I'm wondering which precinct are you guys out of, so I can go down and file the proper complaint.
Calgary Police Service. Reach out to the professional standards section.
Okay.
If you go on the Calgary Police Service.
So you're not getting which
website,
detachment you're from? Are you from District 4, District 2?
There's no such thing as a detachment in Calgary. But you
There's
just
District 4, there's District 2. What are you talking about?
reach out to the Calgary Police Service
Wow, look at
professional
it.
standards section. You can go on their website. They have a
Oh,
complaints
man.
button. You click the complaints
Yo,
button,
can
You
you
fill out
pigs
the
get
form.
out of the way so I can leave?
and then that's how you fill out a complaint.
Perfect. I will be doing that. Thank you. Can you tell your soldiers, your little
I'm not going to close the door on you. You can close it yourself just so I don't hit you, okay?
yo thugs, pigs, move out of the way, please. Get out of the way, pigs.
After all that, these officers choose to drop everything and walk away. Look, I'm not going to say who's in the right and who is the wrong because I simply just don't know enough about Canadian laws, or what someone's rights entail there. I know we all have natural rights, but when a country's government decides to make laws that knowingly violate those rights, then tyranny will no doubt be at the forefront of every interaction with said government. Whether lawful or not, this was absolutely garbage behavior by the police. They profiled this man and ran his, all because of the way he looked. Then proceeded to conduct an unlawful traffic stop, all because the vehicle is registered to a female and not a male. Last time I checked, nowhere in the world does that constitute a crime or a traffic infraction. However, when a government decides to put their interests over the interests of the people that employ them, then you get situations like this one. With that being said, make sure you all head over to Alberta Rights Media, subscribe, and we will see you all over in his comments. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for watching.